Going to a sea of.
We're going under. Look at that. The shark is right up there. Look at that. We're actually moving into the aquarium.
And you can see the shark's jaw.
Look at the shark's jaw right there. How scary is that? Oh my god, this is not TV. We are actually under the shark right there. Look at that. We are actually on an escalator right here.
Look at that, look at that.
Look at that. Looks like movie, but it's not. It's real.
How can I get off?
How come Trisha is
Very
How come Trisha is
real.
missing all this thing?
Well, Mommy, look at it.
We do miss you, Trish, over here.
There's another chainsaw.
Some fish right there.
Like the chainsaws.
If I
Look at that,
go
look at that,
up,
look at that.
oh wow, look at that. I have no idea. What is that thing called right there? What is this fish called? I think it's a sawfish, shark.
Take your time, stop along the way if you want.
And around.
Stress-free.
Oh, look at that. There's more. Right up there, the shark.
Yeah, more of the sharks. Look at
this.
Predator.
Actually, that was up there was a nurse shark. Oh, there's another one. Look at that.
It's a big one.
They can actually see us, and we can actually see them. So,
It's dangerous, huh?
very, very dangerous. Look how many sharks are around us. 2 sharks right there. Look at that. Woo! Look at this. That is so cool.
Maybe?
You
No,
need some hand if you have one of them?
yeah, they're more about.
Let's wait.
So cool, buddy.
Okay, never
So
do.
cool. Moja na